Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get the latest version of Roblox on your Android device. Keeping your app up to date ensures you have access to the newest features and fixes. Let's jump right into it. 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you'll manage all your apps, including Roblox. 2. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and tap the search icon. This will bring up the Roblox app in the search results. 3. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to the Roblox app. Simply tap it to download and install the latest version of Roblox on your device. 4. If you don't see the Update button, it means your Roblox app is already up to date. You can open the app to double-check and make sure you have the latest version installed. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your Roblox app is always up to date and ready to go. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.